Hey everyone! In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to cut out an image in Canva. This feature lets you remove unwanted backgrounds quickly, giving your designs a clean and professional look. Let's jump in. Start by opening your Canva project. Once inside, click on the image you want to edit. As soon as you select it, you'll see a toolbar appear above your canvas. From the toolbar, click on the Effects button. A panel will open on the left with different editing options. In this panel, select Background Remover. Canva's AI will automatically detect your subject and erase the background in just a few seconds. Most of the time, it works perfectly, but if you notice missing details or leftover background, use the Erase and Restore brushes in the same menu to fine-tune your image. When you're happy with the result, click Apply. Your image is now cut out and ready to use anywhere in your design. Remember, the background remover is a Canva Pro feature. If you regularly edit images, upgrading can save you time and give your projects a more polished finish. And that's it. You've learned how to cut out an image in Canva. With practice, this will become second nature and open up endless creative possibilities.